Our lesson today is about fossils. To learn more about prehistoric life on Earth, scientists search for and study fossils. Fossils are the remains of animals and plants that scientists find deep inside rocks. And here's an example that I picked up in Africa many years ago. Okay, and I also have some sand dollars, which actually are the remains of living creatures. And if you look very carefully, you can see the very subtle details on them. What we are going to do today is we're actually going to use shells, real shells, scallop shells, conch shells, and we're going to create our own fossil fish. So you're going to receive a ball of model magic, and you're going to create a fish shape. Now you can do this on your desk. I'm actually just going to do this in the air with my hands. So you sort of like make it. You've got the nose there, fins. I'm going to start fanning out for the tail. Push that in a bit. You can already see that I've got the shape of the fish coming already. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the shells to create pattern and texture. What's perfect about the scallop shell is when I push it in, you can see the shape, just like a fish fin. And I'm going to do the same on the back for its tail, and I'm going to do the same there. Now if I want to use the ridged edge, I can take the ridged edge and give it that lovely wavy texture. And actually I'm going to give him a smiley face using that too. Now you can see, I'm going to just make that indentation a little bit stronger. And with my conch shell, I'm going to use the point and give him a deep set eye, and there is my fossil fish. And when it's dry, it takes just overnight. It's a light material, very light foamy sort of fabric, slightly different from clay. It's still going to be light, but then we can paint it and we can give it that sort of like sandy, stony look, so it looks like a real fossil.